We've got so used to plastic in our day-to-day lives that cutting back's a challenge. But Wales could and should do more, according to today's report.
For every square metre of the riverbed, there can be something like 500,000 fragments of plastic.
Charities, campaign groups and academics took part in a plastic waste inquiry by a committee of AMs, including researchers from Cardiff focused on how our rivers had been affected.
We find that pretty much wherever we look in these river systems, something like half of all the insects already contain plastics of some form. Quite a lot of this are things like fibres, but one of the big questions for us now is where that material is coming from and what damage it might do to organisms as it passes through food webs.
AMs on the Climate Change Committee said they'd been shocked by these findings and urged ministers in the Welsh Government to look at how more research into microplastic pollution could be funded quickly.